Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you how to change your battery sound. Firstly, make sure to download this app. Then open it and tap plus. Choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then choose audio file, ringtone or text to speech.
Connected.
Now, name your function. Then give it description. When it's finished, tap Save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.